Samuel Bedford. I've been teaching for 22 years and I'm presently teaching at the Basse High School. I want to tell you briefly one of the major benefits that I have experienced from teaching. Teaching has brought to me a tremendous amount of satisfaction and happiness. Whenever my students achieve success, I feel that I have succeeded. The happiness and the satisfaction that is achieved cannot be obtained by a higher salary or fringe benefits. I want to extend a special invitation to all of the students leaving school and college to enlist in this noble profession. Yes, the satisfactions are tremendous. Experience it for yourself. Teaching does provide a tremendous amount of satisfaction.
Hi, my name is Yvette Blois. I've been a teacher for 30 years. I have found teaching to be both satisfying and rewarding. It gives me a sense of achievement, and I have found that teachers play a major role in society building. Teachers help to shape and mold the future generations. So young people who are vibrant and creative and enthusiastic come into the profession. I guarantee you will love it.
Hi, I'm Carleen Henry Morton, a teacher at the Basse High School and also the General Secretary of the St. Kitts Teachers Union. I have been in this profession for close to 25 years. Of course, the profession has its challenges, but it is also extremely rewarding and fulfilling. Are you enthusiastic, creative, and passionate about working with young people? Then be a teacher. Make a difference in your community.